So now you're someone जिसके साथ काफी सारी crazy fan stories हुई हैं, right? Tell me the craziest जो हमेशा याद आती है
dude.
कि जब आप इनकी रिश्तेदारी में गए होंगे, किसी ने बोला बेटा गा के सुनाओ.
Let me just say this, I don't want to like, boast or whatever it is, but we've leveled up now.
Alright, so let's have Ludhiana's recommendation from you.
It's priceless. It's like you can't rate, something that's so beautiful. You just
So
can't.
sacred.
I lost my father when I was like really young. The financial struggles that I've seen, in the early stages of my life, because my dad not being there and like nobody really taking care of the family that way. See, I got into music very late. I told myself that I'm giving myself 1 year, and if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But now that I have somebody that I want to see a good life with and everything, so that hunger to do better is more.
Anuv, thank you for joining us. This is RJ Abby from Mirchi Studios. How are you?
I'm good, bro. I'm good. I hope everything is good.
हमेशा butterflies आते हैं शो से पहले या नहीं?
It's becoming lesser and lesser because now there are so many people involved in the team. I obviously trust them with so many things. So I think they're pretty much okay and they take care of everything. So those butterflies have like pretty much gone. But just that, I think it's turned into like a very beautiful excitement. That just wanting to just be on stage in front of everybody. So it's not like that nervousness that comes with it. It's just like excitement and happiness that okay, I'm just going to be able to meet my audience.
So जब I'm sure आप स्टेज पे जाते होंगे, especially in the center stage, जैसे कि आज मैंने देखा लगा हुआ सेटअप आपका, right? जब सेंटर स्टेज पे जाते होंगे, fans are there, they're chanting your names. कभी-कभी वो याद आता होगा वो 10-15 साल पहले वाला अनूप, right? वो क्या करता था? जब स्टेज पे जाता था थोड़ी नर्वसनेस होती थी, कोई बात कर रहा है, कोई मेरा नाम ले रहा है तो ऑकवर्ड हो गया कि यार ये मेरा नाम क्यों ले रही है यार.
Bro, honestly, yes, it happens.
Right.
In fact, Delhi का show जो मेरा पहला show था, उसके अंदर I literally broke down by the end of the set because I was just so happy and everything just came back to me. But यार पहली बात तो जब मैं 10-15 साल का था तो मैं स्टेज पे जाता नहीं था because I used to be so scared. And look how things have changed now.
Right.
But yeah, man, it feels amazing how far we've come and we've worked so hard to be here and yeah, we are working hard and let's see where this takes us.
तो जर्नी में बंदा हमेशा सोचता है जैसे ज्यादातर पहले सिंगर सोचते थे कि यार हमें प्लेबैक में घुसना है, right? Is it a certain plan by Anuv कि मुझे प्लेबैक में जाना नहीं उतना, or you would like to try?
I always keep my options open.
Okay.
But bro, the thing is that I always think of myself as a singer as a secondary thing, but as a songwriter first. तो जब आप एक songwriter की तरह से अपने आप को देखते हो तो आपके वैसी dreams नहीं है जो एक proper trained singer की होंगी. मैंने कभी कोई training भी नहीं लिया. मैंने अब जाके I've started learning music again and singing again and like vocal training and everything. I started doing that now. But मैंने कभी नहीं किया. तो मेरी ऐसी कभी कोई aspirations थी नहीं कि मेरे को playback singer बनना. I just wanted to be a good writer and I think I've done that to a certain extent now.
तो जब बंदा अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करता है खास करके इस आर्टिस्ट्री फॉर्म में तो बंदे के पास ना ज्यादा प्लान्स नहीं होते हैं, बस थिंग्स कीप हैपनिंग, राइट? लेकिन एट अ सर्टेन एज, एट अ सर्टेन टाइम बंदा कहता है कि नहीं थोड़ा सा प्लान बनाते हैं यार. तो क्या अभी वो स्टेज आई है कि प्लान बनने शुरू हुए हैं?
नहीं. I was actually talking to a friend of mine the other day and I was telling them that see, I got into music very late because people get into it like much earlier. They are 19, they're 16, 17 and they get into music. I got into music when I was 24. I had pretty much had like work experience also. I had finished my education, everything was done and then I got into it. And when I got into it, I told myself that I'm giving myself 1 year as an experiment year. And if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. And that experiment has kind of sort of gotten extended to 6 years now. But I still feel the same way, bro. Like I'm still experimenting, I feel. I don't know if it'll work. If it doesn't work out tomorrow, I'll probably like just, do something else with my life. I don't know.
Okay.
But yeah, it's still an experiment. I'm still seeing it as something that, I'm just doing because I want to see where I can take this. So yeah, no plans really. I'm just trying to, like get up every day and take a positive step forward. That's it.
Great. So now you're someone जिसके साथ काफी सारी crazy fan stories हुई हैं, right? Tell me the craziest जो हमेशा याद आती है.
Oh, dude.
क्या ये recall नहीं होनी चाहिए?
I'll tell you. No, recall होनी चाहिए. It's actually not a fan moment, but I can still say that it's like something like that. So कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, right? In this year's, like the last year obviously, but the latest season, I was the second question basically on this thing, right? So Amitabh Sir asked that who's that singer who's sung Barishein and Jo Tum Mere Ho and all of these songs, and the woman who was answering, she just like answered quickly. She was like Anuv Jain and she won like I don't know 10,000 rupees or something, and I was like, okay, I love that. So yeah, that was pretty crazy, man.
तो अमिताभ जी प्लीज और भी क्वेश्चन पूछे, बिकॉज हुस्ना भी है और भी एल्बम आ रही बंदे की, वो भी पूछिए सारे के
Yeah,
सारे।
but I hope, you know, but the thing is that some people would want to be like that 7 crore question.
हाँ।
But I'm happy that I was a lower one. That means I'm a very simple answer. That means I've reached a lot of people, which is a good thing. It works out in my favor. So yeah.
ठीक है। तो अभी आपकी रिसेंटली मैरिज हो गई है, राइट? मैरिज से पहले क्या होता था बंदे के पास कि कभी भी टाइम मिला गिटार उठाया, गाना बनाया, सब कुछ शुरू किया, राइट?
Yeah.
अभी लाइफ में क्या ट्रांजिशन आया है? Is there some kind of discipline added to your life?
That's a very good question, actually. My wife is also here, so she can probably attest to that as well. But, dude, it's been a year since I got married. Like, it's almost going to be a year now. And I feel that, see, I've always been disciplined in my life. I've always been very punctual with my stuff, and I really care about my music. So it's not like I'm more disciplined. But I feel that now that, you know, I have somebody who's there with me always to guide me and to, like, help me out with things as well, I feel my productivity and my creativity and how I see the world has, like, become a bit better. So I feel that, like, now I'm more driven than what I was earlier. Now that hunger is more. Now that I have somebody that, you know, I want to see a good life with and everything. So that hunger to do better is more. And she always keeps me, you know, in check as well and on track as well, in terms of that if I have a few ideas that, you know, I want to, like, you know, sing for someone, you literally have somebody right next to you who you can do that for, and they can immediately tell you that, okay, bro, this is not that great, this is great and all. So I think it's a great feeling. Yeah.
Do you feel like it's like you have an epic best friend at your home कि दिन बुरा जाए अच्छा जाए मेरे पास कोई है जिसका शेयर कर सकता हूँ?
Yeah,
and there's a certain cushion.
100%, dude, 100%. Because bro, this life is also, it has its ups and downs, and they don't come to you like in years. They literally come to you in like days and minutes and hours, right? Like you can be having the best day in the morning and like it turns into the worst day possible. You read something and it turns into a very bad day in the evening. But when you have somebody who can, like, you know, give you some sense and who can ground you a little bit as well, and like make sure that you makes you aware of your reality and who you are, I think that's a very good thing. I've always had my mom and my sister to do that for me, and now I just have an extra voice helping me out with that, so it's always better.
Great. अच्छा, अभी आपकी शादी को 1 ही साल हुआ है, right?
Yeah.
Trust me, please tell me the honest answer कि ये हुआ होगा कि जब आप इनकी रिश्तेदारी में गए होंगे, किसी ने बोला बेटा गा के सुनाओ?
Actually, no. I think they've been very very kind that way, man. They don't ask. See, the thing is that
मुझे पता नहीं क्यों लगता है उन्होंने पहले ही बोल दिया कि
bro,
किसी बोल मत
actually,
देना.
see, let me just say this. I don't want to, like, you know, boast or whatever it is, but we've leveled up now.
Oh.
Now they don't ask me to sing at like family functions. They literally come for the shows, right?
Oh.
So that's how it is. Like, so when I was performing in Delhi, her entire family was there. And, you know, they were all there in the audience. I could literally see them, like, familiar faces everywhere. I was like, "Ore, ye unka chache ka ladka," all that stuff.
थोड़ी nervousness हुई कि यार.
Not, I don't get nervous, dude.
Okay,
I don't get nervous. So yes, I was seeing them. I was looking at them, and I was like, I was so happy. Her nani literally came for the show, and she was backstage, and we got everything arranged for her properly. So it was amazing, man. So like they don't ask, you know, they don't ask for me to perform like in front of them at some family function. They ask for tickets now for shows. So yeah, we've leveled up now in life.
बोल रहे unplug नहीं चाहिए, हमें पूरे stage के साथ चाहिए तेरा.
Exactly. They want like the entire band, the entire thing. Yeah.
Great. Okay, now let's talk about the city.
Yeah.
चंडीगढ़ जब भी बंदा आता है, बंदा कहता है मुझे खाना पीना है, क्योंकि बंदा फूडी हो है ना, यहाँ के बन जाता है.
Yeah.
Are you a foodie first of all?
I'm somewhat.
Okay, तो यहाँ चंडीगढ़ में आके ट्राई सिटी में आके which is your favorite hangout place? यहाँ आके खाना है मेरे को.
यार मेरी ऐसी कोई जगह है नहीं.
Okay.
I always used to I've always come to Chandigarh for some work or to take flights. I've never really explored the city properly. So if you guys have any recommendations, just give them to me. But trust me when I say this, I think Ludhiana food, bro. I don't know whatever recommendation you might give me, but Ludhiana food just has that extra
Alright,
edge.
so let's have Ludhiana's recommendation from you. कि कौन से favorite spots हैं जहाँ पर अगर बंदा लुधियाना जा रहा है, like मैं कभी लुधियाना नहीं गया हूँ.
Okay.
तो मुझे बताओ कि कहाँ जाना चाहिए, because I'm a foodie.
एक second, are you from Chandigarh though?
Yes.
And you've never been to Ludhiana?
No.
What are you doing with your life, bro?
सारे कपड़े यही मिल जाते हैं.
Actually, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
तो फिर भी आपकी recommendation for me.
Okay, so what's your favorite cuisine?
Like Punjabi, like कुलचे, छोले भटूरे.
Okay, so there is this, मेरा जो स्कूल है Sacred Heart Convent, उसके पीछे बैक साइड पे वो he keeps changing his position, but वहाँ पर एक पॉकेट कुलचे चने वाला है.
Okay.
That is amazing. There is MG रोड है ना, वो कौन सी नहीं GT रोड जो है, वहाँ पर I think A1 साइकिल्स की फैक्ट्री है.
अच्छा.
वहाँ पर बाहर भी पॉकेट कुलचास are amazing, so please try those as well. I would say go to Bukhara for some amazing paneer tikka. Sorry, I can only give you vegetarian recommendations. Those are the
Okay,
ones that
it's
I
fine.
have. And if you want to have pizza, I've said this before in interviews as well. There's this guy, Raman. He makes pizzas from his house. It's called Big Dome Pizza. I was literally there yesterday. I'm always there, and it's one of my favorite places. It's the best pizza in the world. So yeah, these are some of the recommendations. I'll give you like a proper, extensive list.
So हम कैप्शन में डाल देंगे. You can also comment down कि इसके अलावा भी कौन-कौन सी जगह है. And
Yeah.
also rate them. जो अनूप ने बताई है कि
Listen, it's priceless. It's like you can't rate, something that's so beautiful. You just
so
can't.
sacred.
Yeah, so sacred. Exactly.
Okay. Now let me know कि अभी जिस तरह की जर्नी चल रही है, it's really going good, right?
Yeah.
टचवुड कर लेता है बंदा, सब कुछ कर लेता है, लेकिन लाइफ में कभी ना कभी तो ऐसा कोई डिप डाउन मोमेंट आता है.
Yeah.
Like पहले हुआ होगा, कभी हुआ होगा कि बंदा कहता है यार ये तो एक ऐसा मोमेंट बन गया जहाँ से उठना ही है मेरे को.
Yeah.
उठने वाला मोमेंट कभी आपको आता है?
हर दिन, bro, हर दिन.
हर दिन.
There are so many, like I said, there are so many ups and downs that happen.
Right.
But dude, like obviously, I lost my father when I was like really young, and that was a very difficult moment. But I'm trying to avoid talking about that because I've spoken about that a lot, and I also want to like become a bit better, and I want to get out of that zone as well. So I would say that, dude, like in the last 2 years, things have not been the best. The irony of my life, or like the funny thing that's happening with my life, is that when I'm doing the best in my life, there are always going to be people who are going to be, pulling you down as well. So just, navigating through this situation, because I come from a very normal background, dude. None of my family members ever did something even remotely close to what I'm doing right now. They have been very successful in their own fields, but not like an entertainment field when you have to like be in front of so many people and like millions and millions of people. So when there are millions of people saying different things and pulling you in different directions, there are always going to be like a certain set of people who are going to be like pulling you down as well. So I think that's something that I'm like still navigating through. I'm still trying to get better at it. Obviously, I'm not there yet, but I've gotten much better. I think I'm happier now. And I've started listening to the people who matter more than listening to the people who don't matter. So I think that's pretty
Wise
much
decisions are coming.
Yeah, see, I got married, like things had to change, man. I had to become wiser.
Okay, मैरिज के बाद ना एक और चीज आती है चेंज बंदे के दिमाग में. थोड़ा मनी के साथ बंदा अच्छा होने लग जाता है. थोड़ा सेविंग्स, बंदा सोचता है कि नहीं यार ये FD RD भी कोई चीज होती कर लेते हैं. ये पहले से थी अनूप में या अभी शुरू करी है?
नहीं bro. I've always been somebody who invests to whatever he can. I am very careful with my money.
Okay.
I have a very good tight control over like the kind of spending that I do.
Great.
Obviously that doesn't mean that I don't like to spend. I like to splurge on the things that I like. I like to buy cars. I like to buy watches. I like to do indulge in things. But I've always, and this is something that like people should learn as well, because I'm trying to like keep that in my head, that never spend more than what you should. वो कहते हैं ना चादर, there is a phrase that के
चादर के हिसाब से
चादर हाँ पाँव उतना ही पसारो जितना चादर है. So that's something that I've learned in my life. Obviously that a lot has to do with how the financial struggles that I've seen in the early stages of my life, because my dad not being there and like nobody really taking care of the family that way. So yeah, I think that's where it comes from. My mom is also like really big on saving and really big on investing. As somebody who comes from the previous generation, she has been investing in the stock market since I don't even know how long. And she's taken care of the family that way through very difficult times. So I think I've taken that from there. But it's not like I'm not enjoying my life. I'm having a great time, dude.
तो अभी टूर चल रहे हैं आपके बढ़िया.
Yeah.
Is there any like next step that you're coming with, like some album or EP or a single that you're coming up with?
Dude, I want to release more music this year. It's gonna be a bit difficult because I have to travel a lot. Like because
you have international tours.
Yeah, we're gonna be finishing the India leg in the next 20 odd days, 25 days, and then I'm off to probably like Dubai, Nepal, then go to the UK, Europe, and all those places. So yeah, I'm going to be traveling for the next 10 months.
All right.
So, but I hope that I get some time in the middle and I get to be home and I get to sit in my own silence and like actually work on some new music, because I have so many ideas, man. I just need to like sit down for like 2-3 weeks straight and just like write them down. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do that.
Great. So great to have a conversation with you, and lovely meeting you.
Of course.
Best of luck for your tour, for this show.
Yeah.
And keep rocking.
Of course. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy.